I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad, and this is our channel. All right, guys. Pro tip number 16. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know if it's a pro tip because I'm not a pro. Somebody's paying me to do this. But whenever you, I don't know if you guys can see this. When you run your cables for your push to talk and your trim tab, when you run all that wiring down through your yoke, stick, whatever the hell you call it, you'll want to run some, I just use safety wire, and I ran it up through the hole here. If you look over here, you can see where it comes out. Then it goes up. We've got one on each side. But what I did was I ran a wire, just use safety wire, and I ran it up through here. And then if you try to run it down this way, it doesn't work. So you'll want to run it up from the bottom up, and then you'll try. I used a pick with a little. I used this pick, and I put a circle on the end of it. So whenever it got up, when I pushed it up here, there was a circle to grab onto and then pull it up. Pull the wire up through. And then you'll just tape just kind of make a hook with the wire, and then do the same thing with the wires that are going to the buttons, and then just put some electrical tape. And then let's see if this is going to work. I actually did it earlier. But I forgot to put the grip on like a moron. So anyway, so start pulling from the bottom and feeding it. It's a 90-degree turn right there. And then once it gets, whoo, that actually worked. Amazing. So there you go. Yeah, I marked all these guys. And the marks that I made came off. So obviously my marks work. And if this is the wrong one, I'm gonna be mad. Yep. I'm gonna do it again. It's like the fourth time. So I think I put the wrong size tube on. I think I'm going to quit for today because this is like the 10th time I've done this. Not the 10th, but I've done it several times, and it's giving me problems. It's got to be the right one. Maybe it's just, yeah, that's the right one. It's just pushed out there. Yeah, that's it. Sweet. Okay, and you're gonna have to put a set screw on this guy. Because he wants to spin. So you'll drill a hole here into the yoke, and then you'll put a set screw, and then you'll slide this grip up. So now I'm going to have to ohm out each wire with the ohm meter and figure out what's what, because my markings that I put on came off. So you may want to do something a little bit different than what I did, because when I started pulling on it, the magic marker, the Sharpie, just came right off. So. And I even put these on there, little printer thing that I had. So numbers, I numbered them, have them numbered on the instructions, and when they went through the hole, they just came off. This side, it worked okay, but this side didn't. I had to handle it so many times magic marker just came off. So, whoa, going down, whoa, going up, stall, 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 hit the afterburners. Oh, we're not stalling now because we got afterburners and nitrous. Just kidding. Missiles, guns, cannons, rockets. I don't know. Incendiaries? I don't know. But yeah, we got switches now. Maybe it's hydraulic. So there we go. Push to talk, trim tab up, trim tab down, and then hopefully these guys are going to be something with the avionics, maybe for the screens. I don't know how that works yet, but I'm hoping that's what that'll do. But if you put this on either side, one for the pilot, one for the co-pilot, you need a relay. So you'll wire it for wiring schematic 2. It's in the instructions, the Ray Allen instructions, and you'll need their relay. And then it's just a ground going to the relay, and then the relay controls everything. So pretty sweet setup. Otherwise, you'll have to use a switch. And who wants to use a switch? Switch, like co-pilot wants to switch over to pilot. Here you go, you've got it. Pilot wants to switch out to co-pilot. Here you go. I mean, you got too much going on to be worried about switches. So this way, either one of you touches it, and it works. Anyway, yeah. So moving right along. Dad's not here today. He had to take my mom to go see my grandma down in College Station. For you, Minnie. Love you. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up.
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
Because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad
and Chad.